to the court, my Lord, is it will indeed affect me if the ruling that my Lord is making is going to be different to what my Lord gave yesterday.
Can everybody hear the witness? I have difficulty hearing the witness. I don't know whether we should move the microphone closer to the witness or not. Can you just repeat, Colonel?
My Lord, I said it's going to have an effect if the provisionally granted emission of yesterday, if the decision is changed, it's indeed going to have an effect on me. There's a lot of factors when it comes to that.
Can you maybe tell me what those factors are?
My Lord, some of the factors are in terms of what I say here now. I'm saying it in the open domain where there's a media. But it really will have a detrimental effect on me and my family.
Anything else?
That is all.
Colonel, your image is out there in the public domain, not so?
I am aware of that, man.
I requested my registrar this morning to just do a quick check after I thought about the order overnight. I asked her to punch in on a primary Google search your name and surname and Saldanha Police, and search for images. And the screen was filled with it. There's also a link to a video at one of the scenes when the National Minister of Police visited. I didn't look at the video, I just looked at the screen on my registrar's phone. You're aware of all of those pictures already in the public domain?
I, my Lord, myself, I haven't seen those pictures myself, man.
Having considered the application that was brought yesterday and having made a provisional order at the time, I have reconsidered that order, and I am of the view that it's in the public interest and in the interest of justice that there should not be any restriction. So, Colonel, I'm going to allow your image in court to be shown. That is my order, for the reasons provided. Thank you.
As the court pleases. Colonel, perhaps before we continue with your testimony as we stopped yesterday, and we will continue from there, but just before the adjournment, there was a request from the Honourable Court with regards to perhaps a plan of the area or a map of the area. Were you able to obtain such maps?
Yes, I did, my Lord.
First of all, versoek van jou dat jy seker wegkaart van plan van die area het jy dit nog gekry het gedaan dat hy sê ja.
You may please make those available so that we can, and my Lord, I ask permission that the plan provided by the Colonel be admitted into evidence as an exhibit because the plan actually shows Middelpos area, Deersville, and the street names, those that the street names are available.
What is the size of the document?
Amerika sal die aarde wys, die strate wat hulle was en die
I absolutely think the judge was fair. Actually, I think he was very, very fair. He did give the station commander a chance to plead his case, okay, on the spot. Jiggy, right there. Let me know why you think your face, okay, should not be shown by the media. And this was a moment for him to plead his case, to speak to the judge. And all he said was, well, if you change your mind from what you said yesterday, the ruling you gave yesterday that my face mustn't be shown, well... And then there was a pause, and then he says, it's not going to be good for me because, you know, it's an open court. And then there's the community. Sir, okay, you are a constable, you're a station commander. By now you should be used to the public eye. But I like what the judge did, okay? I think this judge is going to be a very, very fair judge, okay? Maybe it's too early to call, but so far so good, okay? I think that the judge did a fair thing, and he said, listen, Mr. Registrar, go on Beyonce's internet, just type this man's name, okay? Just type this man's name, okay? Go on incognito browser, type his name. Let's see what he finds out, what we find. They type his name, poof, his face is all over, including a whole video, okay, with the minister. Sir, you cannot be trying to gather us here in the court and say you don't want your face to be shown. Everybody knows who you are, okay? You were very comfortable then. Your picture has already been out in the media, and it is in the interest of justice and public interest that your face be shown. That was the ruling. Cameraman immediately said, say no more, okay? Say no more. Change the angles right away and put that camera on the station commander's face. Listen, this is not an easy case to listen to. The audio is so bad. I had really cleared my schedule this morning to make sure that I catch up and watch. I couldn't listen past this point. It was difficult to follow. I tried to follow his testimony. It was difficult. I'm going to check on other media channels to see if they have better sound and quality. But I really wish somebody really looks into this. This is an interesting trial. It's garnered world interest. This cannot be the representation of the sound. I don't go against the request of the community that they wanted this held within their neighborhood where it's accessible to them, because this is of public interest to them. JOSHLIN is from their community, but we can't hear anything. Okay, we the people cannot hear anything, and I think that should be taken into serious consideration. I'm even concerned for I almost said typographer. I don't know why I would say that. I don't know where that word is coming from. The transcripts, the court transcripts, will they be audible? Will they be able to transcribe what is happening in court? Maybe they should make those transcripts public, because then maybe we can follow through with what is going on in court, because we cannot hear. We can't hear clearly. Let me know your thoughts. Was this judgment fair with regards to the station commander and the court saying, nope, we are going to show your face? And then it makes me turn this around and take it to the SENZO MEYIWA trial. Somebody tell me why the SENZO MEYIWA trial witnesses, their faces can't be shown. Now try to find Gininda's face online. That man is the epitome of a ghost, okay? You will not find him. I have tried so many times so that I could have him in my thumbnails. Nothing. The only time I spotted Gininda, okay? Remember when accused number 5, Officer and Tuli said, Ubabalo, Omanglaz. Okay, ufikela penhlala khona eqalabusha. The only time I can find Gininda's photo is in the Netflix documentary where the camera just catches him briefly and he turns his head, but he's wearing a mask. So that's not really a picture I want, but that's the best we can find, okay? But here's the thing. then I'd say to myself, if Gininda was asked this question, why must the media not show your face? Listen, Gininda would have gone on for a good 30-minute presentation on the reasons why he feels his rights will be infringed if his image is shown. And he would have been so ready. I feel Mr. Policeman, station commander, did not represent himself well. He had a fair chance to plead his case, and he just failed dismally. So at times, we do say Gininda talks too much. Sometimes it is to his benefit. I think Gininda would have won his argument if he was the one on the stand here speaking for himself. I think my lord would have said, okay, no media pictures of Gininda. But then I asked myself, what is so unique about the SENZO MEYIWA trial, other than that those who were in the house, whose images are all known online? Is it not such a joke? Is that not the irony here? KHUMALO, she posts herself all over social media. She even has a reality TV show. Uzandi Khumalo Kumete, she posts herself too. Okay, she's out there posting herself. Not that other people are capturing her and posting her. No, she's posting herself on social media platforms, public, open to the public, not private accounts, public accounts. Ulongwe Twala, he's a famous kid of Chico Twala. So his image, everybody knows who Longwe Twala is. Everybody knows what Longwe Twala looks like. Kelly Khumalo's mother, she is obviously all over there. Okay, she is all over the documentary and on their social media platforms. Which other one was also there? Utumelo Madlala, Umtogo. Those are not kind of influencers or social media people, but their images are out there. And who else? We know what they look like. That's basically what I mean. The children, okay? Kelly Khumalo posts all her children, okay? She herself posts her children. I just personally choose not to post the children on YouTube because YouTube doesn't play with children, okay? Those are not my children. I cannot be posting them because I cannot stand in YouTube and say, yeah, well, this is why I posted them. Kelly Khumalo posts her own children, Christian, Tingo, and the little one, okay? She's posting all her 3 children, 3 out of 3. We've seen what they look like, okay? And she doesn't disguise them. She doesn't cover their photos. Full face, they're there, okay? Even on lives, we've seen them. Who else? Mzansi Unfiltered, okay? Posted Christian kissing another girl, okay? So it is fair to say that their likeness and images are already out there. Now, then we go back to the question I asked. Why specifically the SENZO MEYIWA trial can the witnesses not be shown? I'll let you guys digress and let me know in the comment section, because that's just so strange to me. That's why specifically only the SENZO MEYIWA trial should the witnesses not be shown facially. Why? What is it about the SENZO MEYIWA trial that their faces need to be protected? Are these witnesses lying on the stand? They are under oath. So why can they not show their face? I just need to understand that. That's all. Okay. Okay, I'm not fighting. I just want to have an understanding of that. That is it from me today. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll continue bringing snippets of the JOSHLIN case, JOSHLIN Smith's disappearance case, the parts that I can hear, okay? I'm sorry about that. I would have loved to cover this in great detail so that there is justice for JOSHLIN Smith and that she's found. I believe the more videos that are out there, wherever she is, possibly somebody watching can recognize JOSHLIN Smith. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you on my next upload. You know the house rules. Like, comment, and subscribe. Absolutely love it when you do. I'll catch you on my next upload. I love you. Bye.